In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use arrows and markers in MetaTrader 5. Arrows and markers are simple but powerful tools for calling out entries, exits, breakouts, and any key moments on your chart so you can see your ideas at a glance. Let's start by getting a chart open. Launch MetaTrader 5, choose the market you want to analyze, such as a major currency pair like EURUSD, and open a chart window so you have a clean workspace. A clear chart makes it easier to place and manage your visual notes. Next, locate the arrow and marker tools. At the top menu, go to Insert, then Objects, then Arrows. You'll find a set of ready-made symbols, including arrow up, arrow down, thumbs up, thumbs down, a check sign, a stop sign, and other custom symbols that might be available in your platform. Think of these as quick visual markers that turn your analysis into a storyboard you can understand at a glance. Placing a marker is straightforward. Select the symbol you want, like arrow up, then click exactly where you want it on the chart. It will appear instantly. If precision matters, zoom in slightly so you can anchor it directly on the candle or zone you intend to highlight. Here are some common practical uses. Use arrow up to mark buy entries or to point out bullish signals such as a breakout or a strong reversal candle. Use arrow down to mark sell entries or highlight bearish setups that deserve attention. Other symbols are great for instant decisions. A stop sign can mark an invalid setup or an area to avoid. A check sign can label a confirmed trade that met your rules, and thumbs up or down can capture a quick opinion without cluttering the chart with text. You can customize any marker to fit your style. Right-click the marker and choose Properties. From there, adjust the color, size, and style, and set the anchor position so it lines up with the exact price point or candle. A simple convention is to use a green arrow for buys and a red arrow for sells. Consistent color coding helps you scan and understand your charts much faster. If you need to fine-tune placement, just click and drag the marker to reposition it. Take a moment to nudge it so it sits precisely on the candle, wick, or zone you're referencing. Clean, deliberate placement keeps your charts readable and your analysis reliable. That's all you need to start using arrows and markers in MetaTrader 5 with clarity and confidence.